Roamless Mobility is some honest review watch before using. Most people overpay for international mobile data, but the surprising truth is that Roamless can drastically cut your travel phone costs. Roamless is a global eSIM service that lets you buy mobile data for many countries without changing physical SIM cards. You install the eSIM once, and then you can activate data packages as you travel. Roamless use is a pay-as-you-go model. You load credit, and data is deducted as you use it. There are no expiration dates, no contracts, and no monthly fees. Most people get this wrong. They think all eSIMs are the same. Roamless focuses on flexible credit instead of country-locked plans, which can save money if you travel often. However, coverage quality depends on local networks. In major cities, speeds are usually excellent. In rural areas, performance may drop. Roamless is best for digital nomads, frequent travelers, and anyone who wants simple global connectivity without surprise fees. The surprising truth is that international data does not have to be expensive or complicated. Subscribe for more honest travel tech reviews that help you stay connected.